Welcome everyone to the ADP Center for Learning Technologies workshop series on engaged and powerful presentations. Today we'll be looking at some intermediate features of the PowerPoint platform. A powerful aspect of PowerPoint is its dynamic and creative ability for expression through asset manipulation. So today we're going to look at placing a video inside of shapes as well as inside of text. The purpose of this is to introduce you to the concept of dynamic creativity using these tools available to you in PowerPoint. So first we'll look at placing videos inside of shapes similar to the one on the screen. So to start, you'll either need to initiate a blank project or one that you've been working on. So for this example, I'll start with a new slide and I'll get rid of the text boxes. And so by clicking the Insert tab and navigating to the Video option on the right-hand side, you can either browse or upload files or pull from their stock videos or online movies. So for this, I'll pull from their stock videos. Some of the options do have minimal amounts of videos available, so for this example, I'll just use the Galaxy option. And so once you decide on the stock image that you'd like to choose, you can click it and then an Insert button will populate, and by clicking the Insert button, it will upload the video into your slide as such. So once you choose a video, a tab in the right-hand corner, once you click on it, will populate called Video Format. So by going to the crop option, and there are some other options in terms of borders that you can place or frames that you can place on the video. You can also change effects such as the edges or the reflection, or if it's a 3D rotation that you'd like. You can play around with this as well. But if you go to the crop option and choose this little arrow here, you can choose video shape, which allows you to place the video inside of a specific shape, such as a lightning bolt or a heart or a sun, for example. And then you can further manipulate this and input any text, and as you access this slide in your PowerPoint, the video will play behind the shape that you're looking to place it behind. So here's an example of a shape that I had made earlier with a heart and using the Galaxy background. Now, aside from placing videos inside of shapes, you can also place videos behind text boxes. So this is an example of me using the Galaxy video, or one of the Galaxy videos, behind the text saying the ADP Center. So in order to do this, you're going to start a new slide. You can clear the slide of all text boxes. Now by going to Insert and choosing a shape, typically the rectangle would work the best for this one. You'll then drag it to be the entire size of the slide itself. Just make sure it takes up the whole thing. Now you can fill the shape in with whichever color you would like. Now on top of the shape, you're going to click the Insert tab and insert word art. Now you can use any form of word art that you like, but I'll keep it basic here by clicking this black one here. Now to make it a bit easier for us, we're going to change it to the color white, and we're going to increase the size of the writing in this as well. So by going to the home page, you're able to change the size of text as well. So I'll put ADP Center as our writing. So once you have this word art and it's placed where you would like it on the screen, you will then hold the Shift button and click both of the shapes and then go to the Shape Format page, where you'll see a merge option available. When you click this, you'll then click Combine, which will make it look somewhat transparent. You can click Shape Fill again, which allows you to place the color of the background on the back of the writing. So once you go back to the Insert tab and click Video, we'll pull from a stock video again. You can choose whichever Galaxy or video you would like to use. For this example, we'll use this purple one. So we'll insert this video. Now, you may see that the video takes up the whole screen. What you can do then is go back to Shape Format, and you can click Bring Forward on the writing, so that way the writing is overlaid over the video. And now, once the video plays, it will appear within the text. So you can use this feature to lay out any message that you would like to within your Google Slides. So if you have some lively writing that you would like to include in your message or your lesson plan or your subject delivery, you can put whatever writing you would like on top of a shape and put a video behind it following the steps that I had listed. If you are looking for some more individualized assistance or would like to set up an appointment to go over this with us, you can go to the adpcenter.org and click Schedule an Appointment, where you'll be able to book an appointment with myself or one of our team members. Or if you'd like to send us an email, you can email us at adpcenter@montclair.edu. And thank you for attending this workshop. We look forward to having you at ones in the future, and have a wonderful day.